Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another video. This video is about some beautiful and amazing kind of footwears which looks really amazing and really pretty. And as you see, the beautiful kind of beige color heel along the block heel, which is very pretty and in different kind of colors, like to choose according to your preference, your style and your outfit color. And as you see, this white color heel, it's the very low heighted block heel, like square kind of heel, and this is the very basic and very minimal kind of heel which looks really beautiful. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and makes it more interesting, more beautiful and more pretty. And as you see, these are some traditional kind of heels along with some traditional touch that can look very beautiful with your eastern kind of outfits. And as you see, there are different kind of colors in the same design, and this one is also very nice. It's in a black color along with some silver shine on the top. And the world of footwear is a dynamic and ever evolving entity driven by technological advancement, cultural exchange and artistic innovations. From the runways of Paris to the streets of Tokyo, footwear designers are constantly pushing the boundaries of style, sustainability, and functionality. With the rise of fast fashion, eco friendly materials, and digital customizations, the footwear industry is undergoing a significant transformation, creating to diverse consumer needs, preferences, and values. As a result, footwear has become an integral part of our personal narratives, reflecting our values. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care. See you in the next YouTube video.